Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to select and change colors in Canva so you can create stunning personalized designs in 2025. Whether you're designing social media posts, presentations, or anything creative, mastering colors is a game changer. First, open the Canva desktop app or visit the Canva website and log into your Canva Pro account. Once you're in, you'll notice a variety of design elements, but let's focus on color. To quickly access your color options, click on any element, whether it's a shape, text, or background. You'll see a color tile appear at the top of your editor. Click on it, and a palette of default colors pops up. But here's where the magic happens. You can customize these colors to match your brand or personal style. If you have specific brand colors, head over to your brand kit by clicking Brand in the left-hand menu, then selecting the Brand Kit tab. Here you can add your own colors, ensuring that every design you make stays consistent. Simply click the plus button under Brand Colors and enter your HEX code, or use the color picker to select the perfect shade. You can also save time by applying the same color to multiple elements. Just select your element, copy the color, and paste it wherever you need. Canva makes it seamless to keep your designs cohesive. Experimenting with gradients is another fun option. Click the gradient option under your color picker to combine multiple colors in a smooth transition, perfect for backgrounds or eye-catching designs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confident in selecting, customizing, and applying colors to make every Canva project truly stand out. That's it. Now you know how to select and change colors in Canva like a pro. Try these tips on your next design and watch your visuals come to life. Thanks for watching and happy designing.